Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging, which means that we have another review. So let's find out what is in this bag. Alright, let me get it out of the bag. Alright, we have a stamped cross stitch. And this comes from the SevenGreat store. If you'll remember back a couple days after Christmas, this became lost and couldn't be found anywhere. And they have resent it to me. So we will take a look at it today. It is a 50 by 87 Mona Lisa cross stitch kit. And before I forget, if they have any coupons or any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, I'll put them right in here and in the description box below. So let's take a look at this. All right, I got it out of its plastic bag. So as you can see, it's kind of an up and down picture. Isn't that gorgeous? You have a waterfall, and it looks like sunset, and light on the trees, and two peacocks that are just absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. And even some flowers. And it's a 170 by 33. I mean, by 170 by 333. We're having a day. I am telling you. So, yeah, it's fair size. But I just thought it was gorgeous. I love all the greens, the blues, the purples. I'm sure there's going to be teals involved, so yeah, had to have that one. I wanted to make sure. Okay, so we do have 45 colors. It is a straight cross stitch, and it hasn't been broken into sections, so this paper is all one page, but we do have the color key on this page and on this page, so you don't have to flip it open every time you need to look for anything, but it is very well printed in Mona Lisa fashion. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black, we have 321, which is what I call Christmas red, we have 666 red, and these 702 and 703 are beautiful, beautiful, vivid greens. I've had them before. Let's see. We have 820, which is a shade of navy blue. No 939. And we're using 3865 for the white. But yeah, so very well printed. Very easy to see. Now, I'm not sure if this key will match the canvas too, but we will check that as well. Just bright and vivid colors, very easy to see. And I'm glad there is no back stitching, half cross stitch, or French knots in this. So yeah, I'm just going to set that aside for a second. It does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish. Let me get rid of those scissors before they fall on my foot. Let's take a look at the colors. Oh, so we have some extra. And these are kind of small hanks. I don't know if there's 10 strands in here. I'm not real sure, but this is smaller than one of the bigger ones that I know has either 20 or 40 in it. But beautiful golds. Off-white, might be even 3865. Just not sure. I can't see a number here. But they are numbered on each one. We do have a toolkit this time with 3 needles, a needle threader, poof ball thimble. Very nice. I'm just going to set that aside so I don't drop it on the floor. You don't know how many of them things get dropped on the floor. Let's take a look at all these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So let's turn it around. Hold it. please. Okay, let me get it undone. Holy cow, is everybody just attaching themselves or what today? Oh, now you're attached to my sweater. Isn't that awesome? Putting it over here. All right. So we have very little of these pinks here. But there's your 321, your 310 black, 666 red, beautiful greens, blues, oranges, yellows, kind of a dark turquoise here, and then more beautiful turquoisey colors. Not so much teal, but more turquoise this time, but that's fine. I love those dark blues. They look so good on those peacocks. Just stunning, stunning, stunning threads. Just, and we'll put that with that just so we don't lose it, because we might need that. Who knows? We put that up there. Now I do see something right here on this corner. We have one needle, so I believe that gives us 4. This is serged all the way around, and I've got it upside down. Of course I do. Isn't that how that goes? Oh my goodness. And it's that lovely fabric that crunches very nicely. Holy cow. Get it all where it needs to be, and then we can look. All right, it has a nice big key. Let me pull out the paper pattern. And they are different. So these symbols on the paper pattern match the paper pattern. The canvas has its own set, but very nice, very easy to see symbols. And it's so well printed. I just absolutely love Mona Lisa. And it's really kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of thick, I would say, but it's just going to be stunning. We have some nice big areas. I'm not seeing a whole lot of confettied. We'll have to look down in here. Crap, if I could just get it to fold. Beautiful, beautiful. No smudges, no smears. Nice, easy to see things. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. I'll hold that up so you can see just how clear the symbols are. And it might be a little confettied in this area. That's where all those flowers are. But nothing too drastic at all. Love that. Because sometimes you just want to stitch. You just don't want to mess around with all that confetti. And this is, you know, got a few symbols I see here, but nothing too abrupt or hard to manage. Just absolutely beautiful. Now let me see here if I can, I don't know if I can measure this, but we're going to give it the old college try. All right, 33 3/4 inches, or 85.5 centimeters. The long way, and the short way is 47 centimeters, or 18.5 inches wide. The actual picture size is 38.5 centimeters, or about 15.25 inches. And the length, that is if I can get it, is 77 centimeters, or a little over 30.25 inches. So not too terribly bad, and it's got a lot of big areas. So if you want to just sit down in front of a TV or put on a movie, you could just go for broke in one color. But I just thought this was absolutely stunning. Now, I don't think that this, whoops, sorry, my bad, comes in silk. It may, but not that I'm aware of. Now, 7Great does have, just, sorry about that. That was a phone call I had to take. They have cross stitch, and they have tools and crafts for all of that. They have beaded embroidery, and they do have silk cross stitch. Now, I don't think they have diamond painting or paint by number, just cross stitch or like embroidery type things. So they always have a great selection and great prices. So do check them out. And thank you, 7Great, for getting me a new copy of this so that I could do a review. I really do appreciate it. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.